You are about to make your introduction unforgettable because I'm going to show you how to use this animated template to introduce yourself, your company, or your presentation. But here's the best part. Stick around till the end and you will see how to add a customizable countdown timer to keep your audience hooked. Are you ready? Let's do this. When you open the template, slide 1 is what greets you. So let's give it your personal touch. First, swap out the image with your business logo. Just click on the image, head to picture format, change picture, this device. Find your logo and click insert. Now click on the placeholder text where it says business name. Replace it with your actual business name or the title of your presentation. You might need to resize the text boxes. Align them nicely with your logo so everything looks polished and centered. You'll notice two rectangles. One sits above the text, the other below. Widen them out a little bit, just a touch wider than your text box. They are not decorative, they are hiding part of the flying animation for your business name. You'll see it in action soon. And those long rectangles on the right, they are the magic behind the transition to the next slide. Before we preview, unhide slide 2, then press F5 to run the slideshow. Feels like a strong start. Slide 2 is all about introductions. Replace the name with yours or the presenter's. Add a website or social handle underneath. Click the photo, go to picture format, choose change picture, then this device, and insert a nice clear headshot. Resize and crop if needed. Right-click and unhide slide 3. Now, update the presentation title. Replace the presenter's name. Change the web address and the photo just like we did on slide 2. Once done, run slideshow from slide 2. Then press F5 to start from slide 1. Looking good? Excellent. Let's take it one step further. Slide 3 gently glides into slide 4, but blink and you might miss it. That's the point. The transition feels so smooth it almost looks like the slide didn't change. Let's see how to do it. First, unhide slide 4. Then duplicate it just in case. You'll see an image covering it. That's a screenshot of slide 3 before we made edits. Delete it to reveal the real slide 4. Now update the content. Change the title. Add 2 to 3 top projects or roles you've held. We need a current snapshot of slide 3. Go to slide 3, click File, Export, change file type, PNG, Save As. Don't export the whole presentation, just this one. Return to slide 4 and insert that image you just saved. It should cover the slide. Almost there. Let's grab something from slide 5, our backup. Select the image on slide 5. Use Animation Painter under the Animation tab. Back to slide 4. Click the image to paste the animation. Now open the animation pane and bump that animation up to the second position. We no longer need slide 5. You can delete it. Run the show from slide 4. Looks good? Then let's run from slide 1 and watch the magic between slides 3 and 4. Slide 5 bridges the gap between slide 4 and slide 6. It's time to repeat our trick. Duplicate slide 5 just in case. Go to slide 4, open selection pane and hide the picture and the rectangle. Export slide 4 as PNG. Turn the hidden items back on and close the selection pane. Now unhide slide 5 and remove the placeholder image. Insert the image of slide 4 you just saved. Head to slide 6, select the image there and grab its animation using Animation Painter. Back on slide 5, paste the animation. In Animation Pane, move the new animation to position 3. Slide 6 has served its purpose. Feel free to delete it. Run a slideshow from slide 4. Smooth, right? This slide lays out your agenda. List up to 3 key topics, 1 per text box. Be brief, be clear. That's how you win attention. It's time to pull the transition trick again. Duplicate slide 7. On the original, delete the placeholder image. Replace the text with your examples. Next, export the edited slide as PNG. Now let's do the transition. Export slide 6 as a PNG. Insert it into slide 7. Use Animation Painter to grab the animation from slide 8 and paste it onto the image on slide 7. Delete the backup. Run slideshow from slide 6 and watch the transition. First, open the selection pane and hide the image that's on top. We are back to the company name and logo, just like in slide 1. Update your logo and business name. Then unhide the image and duplicate the slide. On the original, delete the image. Insert the image of slide 7 you saved. Copy animation from slide 9 and apply it to this image. Delete slide 9. Start your slideshow from slide 6. Oh, but wait. Notice how the business name gets awkwardly clipped during the animation. Let's fix it. Hide the image again. Widen the rectangles so they fully cover the animation path. Unhide the image and run the show again. Perfect. If you've made it this far, you're clearly someone who cares about doing it right. Let's reward that with a bonus. Add a countdown timer before the show begins. Want a 5-second countdown? Go to Developer tab, Visual Basic. Change the value of count to 5. Save and close. In the Transitions tab, set after to 7 seconds. Press F5 and click the countdown text to start. Want 10 seconds instead? Change count to 10. Set after to 12 seconds. Run slideshow and click to begin the countdown. And there you have it, an introduction that's elegant, thoughtful, and memorable. Until next time, keep creating amazing presentations.